Samsung is about to flip the smartphone world on its head with desktop-style multitasking. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your hub of latest tech news. Samsung has officially unveiled the Samsung Galaxy Z Trifold, its first ever twice-folding phone, packing a 6.5-inch cover screen and a massive 10-inch inner folding display powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite for Galaxy and 16 GB of RAM. At just 3.9 mm thick when folded, it's a powerhouse built for both performance and portability. But the real game changer isn't just the hardware, it's the software. For the first time on a Samsung phone, the Galaxy Z Trifold will support Samsung DeX. The desktop-style multitasking environment, previously reserved for Galaxy tablets only, users can run up to 20 apps at once across 4 workspaces without needing an external monitor. And if a monitor is handy, the phone can extend its display while still using its full 10-inch screen for simultaneous tasks, complete with Bluetooth mouse and keyboard support. This will give you a serious productivity boost. Professionals can manage emails, group chats, and files on the go. Then fold the device up and slip it into a pocket. Goodbye, bulky laptop. It's a plus for creatives too, with apps like Photoshop and LumaFusion potentially taking advantage of the multitasking power for mobile design and editing. While the 10-inch display isn't a full laptop replacement and third-party software support may lag behind Apple's ecosystem, the Galaxy Z Trifold could redefine what a smartphone can do. With its Trifold design and DeX integration, Samsung is pushing the boundaries of mobile productivity. The Galaxy Z Trifold has already launched in Korea, with demos spotted in Dubai, and a US release is expected in Q1 2026. Looks like folding your desktop into your pocket is no longer science fiction, it's finally here. For more updates like this video, comment and subscribe to GadInsider. Don't forget to click the bell icon so you never miss any tech updates.